Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to group elements together in Canva. In this tutorial, I will start with this design template. I have added the shape, the text box, and the image. If you want to group them, firstly, we can select all of them. We can click and drag to make a selection to the three elements, or we can use Shift and left mouse button click to select one by one. Alternative, we can go to Position and then Layers. We can select the object from the layers. For example, I deselect all of the objects and then go to Text Box. I select it, and then we can use Shift and left mouse button click to make a multiple selection. Now we can find the group icon. We can click to group them together. So we can open the Layers window and see that the three elements is grouped together. If we want to ungroup, we can press the ungroup button to ungroup them. Alternative, we can use shortcuts. We can use Ctrl G to group them together and Ctrl Shift G to ungroup them. Actually, we can go to three dots menu. We can find the option to group and the option to ungroup them. So this is how we can group elements together in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.